Did you know there's a hidden shortcut at the right edge of the taskbar that instantly minimizes all your open windows? Just move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the desktop and click once. This will minimize all open windows. To do the same thing with the keyboard, use either the Windows key plus M or Windows key plus D shortcuts. Another handy keyboard shortcut is Windows key plus Home, which minimizes all windows except the currently active one. Another one is Windows key plus down arrow, which minimizes the currently active window. If the window is maximized, it will first restore it to its original size. Pressing the shortcut again will minimize the window. If you want to maximize a window, press Windows key plus up arrow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.